Hello everyone, welcome to CI149. This is a short video about telling you a little bit about the course and what we'll be covering. Um, so, as the name of the course suggests, we'll be covering curriculum, instruction, and technology in a secondary classroom. So, this course is designed mainly for middle school and high school teachers who are doing their single subject credentialing. As I mentioned earlier, since I'm the director for the Math and Science Teacher Initiative, and if you are one of the people going to apply for a single subject credential in math or science, reach out to me and I can get your um, fees for the tests covered. If you're giving CSET test examinations, we do offer free CSET test preps, and we have workshops all through summer, spring, fall. So reach out to me if you're interested in that as well. Um, so mainly through the course, and I want to tell you a little bit about what you'll be covering. So this is a course for you as somebody who's either already teaching in a classroom or someone who's thinking of teaching in a classroom or going to teach in a classroom. So I kind of take you throughout the course about, and you kind of explore the context of schooling. You explore what it means to be a good teacher. What does good teaching look like? And what counts as good teaching, right? Also, I know there's a lot of concern around how can we, set expectations in a classroom. So we kind of take you through what good expectations and setting good expectations for your students can look like in your classroom. And also, what does it mean to create a positive culture in your classroom? There are two main assignments that you will be doing for this course. One is the teacher web page, where you will be creating your own web page, and it's essentially a biography or portfolio of when you enter school. It can serve as later on, you can put your lesson plans there, and you can keep adding to it and think of it as something that you keep on creating and updating. The second assignment is called the Flip Classroom Video Project. And in Canvas, you'll see a detailed description of this project. But essentially, you're creating a video project around flipped learning and how you can integrate it in your subject area. Some of the other topics that you'll be covering are creating and maintaining a culture of learning. How can you engage your students or strategies for engaging your students in your classroom? How to design a lesson plan, and what are some of the practices that teachers have used and teachers use in the classroom. And then you'll also be covering at the very end, teaching and learning through technologies. How can you assess the lesson plans and assess the learning that is happening in students? Students are, you're exposing students to these different concepts. So how can you kind of use best evaluation and assessment techniques and strategies in your classroom? And last but not least, the one more thing that we'll be covering is differentiated learning and what does culturally responsive pedagogies means and what do they look like. Now, some of these topics may already have been covered in the courses that you have taken in the past. So that's really great if you come in with that knowledge. If not, this is a space for you to explore and learn. And there are supplemental resources as well, resources that you don't have to really read in the course, but they are helpful for you as you transition to being a teacher. So my recommendation always is to download these, PDFs that I have uploaded and to keep them in a space, possibly cloud, that allows you to access them at a later point. All right, that's all. Please feel free again to contact me if you have any questions at swati@csufresno.edu or through Canvas.